Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering the core materials you want to capture. Pick PDFs, lecture slides, and plain notes. Upload them to Notebooklm now, drag and drop or link drive to import everything in one go. Once done, give a concise initial prompt that states scope and output type, because Notebooklm tailors responses to that instruction. Make sure to name the notebook clearly. This keeps versions organized and helps retrieval later. Don't delay. Start ingesting content immediately so the model can analyze context. You now structure the material into meaningful sections, overview, key points, and action items, so Notebooklm can produce targeted outputs. Use specific prompts to extract summaries, generate flashcards, or create outlines from each uploaded file. For example, ask for a 2-paragraph summary and 5 study questions. Then iterate. Compare outputs, refine prompts to fill gaps, and merge overlapping notes into single entries. As you work, label sections with keywords so the model's retrieval stays precise and your study flow becomes efficient. You finish by consolidating and cleaning the notes, normalize formatting and export to PDF, Markdown, or copy to your editor. Then add tags and set review reminders so you revisit material on schedule. If something looks incorrect or incomplete, first tweak the prompt with extra context and ask again. If that fails, re-upload a clean source or split a large file into smaller chunks. Finally, use the model's citation or source view to verify facts. This prevents propagation of small errors into your notebooks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.